hello everyone. How are you all doing tonight? Ah, yeah, today's been a pretty, alright day for me. Got some more mail, had pizza for dinner, was delicious. Yeah, well, hello there. Yeah, as I said in the announcement in a few places and on Twitter, I'm going to be doing a giveaway tonight of 3 months of Xbox Games Pass for PC because I got some Xbox Game Pass that I don't need because I already have Games Pass Ultimate. So yeah, I'll probably be giving that away at around 8 o'clock, which it's 7:07 right now, so that'll be in an hour or so when we tag over to programming. So yeah, stick around if you want to see that. Yeah, if you want a chance to get it. Hope you're all doing well. Yeah, I am, stuff's been a lot recently, but I think I'm doing okay, surprisingly. Just, yeah. In any case, I guess we can just head on over to Minecraft if there's nothing that anyone really wants to talk about. Yeah. I will see y'all over there. Alright. Let me pull up music. So, today we are... I don't care a person's footsteps. Today we're once again gonna be doing some fucking, trying to do interior decoration and actually get around to that, but still need a roof. So let's head over there now. Okay. At least the update notice aren't in chat anymore. Yeah, look, update notices just need to be fucking illegal in Minecraft. They suck. I have my custom update test, and you have to get rid of it by enabling mastery with Alt, which is prone to failure, and I'm not going to remove the message until you update. God. Thanks, Rotary Craft. Hello, Fairly Social. Back over here. Let's see how stuff looks. Excuse me? Server? Are you good? Oh, yeah. Still pretty basic in here, honestly. I wonder what I want to actually do with it. Like, what I could put on the walls or down here or whatever. Like, what machines and such I want to have. I've got some daylight detectors which can kind of be used for, like, conveyor belts and such. Yeah, not sure. Yeah, I'm really bad with, like, the actual, like, creative part of Minecraft. I want to be better at it, but I just am bad. Maybe ventilation with air vents. Interesting. Wonder what I could use for ventilation. Iron trapdoors, iron blocks, yeah. The developer got a lot of hate for bugs that were fixed over 7 months because of mod pack. For over 7 months with mod packs. Yeah. I kind of want to just do more mining, but I do a lot of mining. And it's honestly not that interesting unless you have something to talk about, which I'd probably, like, think up a topic. Wonder. Maybe a critter like something ceiling mounted by a train? Yeah, I want to do something ceiling mounted, but I've got to think up a ceiling. Like, Yes, ceilings. Yes, ceilings. A very important prerequisite to stuff hanging from the ceiling. Always need more torches. I'm here. Hello, Jude. Not enough, wow. There, yeah. Plenty of torches for now. Hey, I hope Monday's gone alright. It has! By the way, if you missed it, Jude, we will be doing a giveaway in about 45 minutes for 3 months of Xbox Game Pass. I mean, so just because Modern couldn't use it for a while, but yeah. I mean, I'm fine with my moderators getting it. I'm forgetting to torch because I've got. Yeah, that's one issue I have with like the offhand glow thing is that you forget that you need to put torches. Now Hello, Lemma. Hello, Captain. Nice to see you. Newer versions of Lumilights have True Dark, which helps remind me to light stuff. Yeah. What? Yeah, I might. I should update Lumilights and shit. Didn't think you'd be live today. Yeah, stuff got canceled last minute. I tweeted about it, but... Yeah, and I will still be, streaming tomorrow as well. Just because I want to start doing Tuesday streams regularly. Ooh, Derpy, thank you very much for gifting an LMOS upgrade to Catton. Working on a bamboo farm at the moment. Fun. I've been thinking about things again recently, and, like, just... One of the biggest things I want to do with Minecraft is make modding easier for other people. Just, like, adding things that, like, let others make mods more easily, or, like, do complex things more easily, or have mods work together and such, and just... I've been trying to think of, like, what I'd kind of want to do in that range? Bamboozler. Yeah. The big thing I've been thinking of is a way to write mods, like full mods, without needing an IDE. Update libmultiblock. Libmultiblock never... Look, update is... Catton, update is the wrong word. Make is the right one, because libmultiblock never actually got made. I put some sketch code in, but then never really did anything to, like, make it feasible. So, yeah. Definitely a thing that should have more work done on it sometime. Yeah, like, just one of the big, things that I want it to be possible to do at some point is write a Minecraft mod without needing an IDE. That would be really good. Like, just for accessibility, and like, just what my data generator ends up useful, yeah. Does that mean in-game? No, I mean like, being able to write stuff that doesn't need like a full compiler. What's libmultiblock intended to do? It was intended to be useful for making, like, being able to make different forms of multi-block structures, code-wise, without as much work. I'm gonna turn my headphones down a bit because notice I'm talking kind of loudly right now, sorry. I gotcha, yeah. Back before I realized who the coded one was, and I saw their sandbox mod system, I created a little project called Sandscript, which lets you create mods in JSR 223 supported languages like JavaScript or such. But it didn't, never got super far because Sandbox is very unfinished, and coded is... But apparently they're going to be folding it into the core... but it's apparently going to become a core feature of Sandstone. Coded asked me for permission. Or of Sandbox. Keep calling it Sandstone, Sandbox. I'd work on Sandbox again someday, but yeah. I want to do, like, just... Of course there's Cube.js, but Cube.js is honestly not great. There are, like, just a lot of different things I'd like to do that it doesn't do. That I'd like a system, like a no-code system to do that it just doesn't. Like, and of course, because I'm weird, I would want, like, to be able to write in Python, because I like Python. It's a good language, easy to understand and use, but there's no good Python interpreter on, on fucking Java. There's, like, Jython, which is Python 2.7 and not a good Python one. There's, like, C Python bridges, but JNI sucks, and there's Grawl, but Grawl Python is still really unfinished, and it's a mess, and it sucks. I'm afraid of that, yeah. I got linked something interesting. Let me pull it up. Was it Aeroscript? It was named something. I don't even remember where I got linked to it. Just a sec, sorry. Let me try and find it quick. No, no. Oh no. Was it in here? How far did Laura get on porting the Python interpreter? I don't know, because, hey, what do I name my data generator? I'm trying to focus on, like, a few things at once, sorry. Here? Oh. Not there, yeah. Laura just basically disappeared, and I have no idea what happened to them. Oh wait, no, I remember where I got linked. It was in Cotton Discord, because that exists, right. Yeah, I don't know what happened to Laura. They just disappeared, and I don't know their, like, links to anything. Aviator script, that's it. And yeah. Where's JSR 223? Okay. Yeah, I might look at Aviator script sometime. Yeah. Just being able to write something that is, like, based on, like, just that lets you write Minecraft, like, even, like, somewhat complex Minecraft mods based on, like, just with a no IDE would just make it a lot easier. Of course. Hi, Lemma. Hello, Serafina. Nice to see you. Alright. About half an hour till the giveaway. Ooh, diamonds, yay. Alright. Yeah, like, just, I'm thinking about, like, what would be the best way to represent a block or an item for creation? What, like, just is in code the best way to do that? Is there, like, a specific data format that would work well for it? Stuff like that. of course, I could always just, like, write my own, like, DSL or something, but, like, why? But it's called Kython, yeah. I know it's called Kython. Yeah, just, the big issue with searching Kython is that you get D&D stuff. Ah, Sailor Green, okay. Last update, last commit February 2020. Okay. And, oh right, it's also Mardmas. And the other issue with Kython is that, it requires a CPython copy to compile code, which, like, just what's the fucking point? Big Bob 12, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Yeah, like, there's just some... I kind of want to, like, try... Yeah, I love mining. Mining is really fun. Yeah, a while back I made a... Yeah, I followed through an online book titled Crafting Interpreters to make a scripting language in Java, and it was neat. I got hot dogs, nice. But yeah, I kind of want to do that again for, like, making a DSL for Minecraft modding or something. Because, like, yeah. I just don't know. DSL sounds like a good idea. You remember me? Let me see. Picture Mike 36T. I'm not sure I do. My memory's been a bit rough lately just because of stress and everything. Ooh, wop. There. There's some pops. Mining's fun, cave, and it's even moving. You're making the crates from better storage be more than 6 hours of dev time? Let me look up better storage quick, because I don't remember it. Give my vacuum a hot dog. Oh no. Better storage, which one are you? Vacuum won't work now. Why did you do that? Yeah, no, I think packages might do that already. Yeah. The main thing is I've never actually used better storage, so I don't know. But yeah, like, I kind of want, I really want to try and figure out what I would want in a DSL. Like, just what type of paradigm it would follow and such. Like, how typing would work and all that. Better storage crates are an unlimited size freeform multi-block. Each one adds some slots to total inventory. It can only display 54 at a time, scrambled each time. Yeah, that's interesting. Might be a bit complex because multi-blocks are scary. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. One of the things that crafting interpreters didn't do, which I am realizing would be really important, is it didn't have any sort of list or array or anything. It never actually added those, which kind of a problem. And it was also like a dynamic typed language, which I could just do like the full roundabout, make everyone pissed at me again thing and go with Sanskrit, but gotta go have to buy a vacuum. Good luck! Lots of redstone will be helpful. What the taxidermist say to the stuffed raccoon during an argument? What do you know? You're full of it. Redstone is helpful, yeah. Sorry if you can hear my keyboard, just Why did I make this tunnel so long? What was I fucking thinking? Efforts having surplus redstone. Yeah, make some fun decoration too if you can find that saturated with red. Activate boost mode. Yeah. Now, I don't actually know what I want to work on tonight, whether it's going to be a mod request or one of my other projects. Plan for Minecraft. We're doing a bit of mining right now just because we've been running low on resources for a little while. Then might try and do some like decoration stuff. Then at 8 we are going to do a giveaway of 3 months of Xbox Game Pass for PC. 8 is my time, so that's in about half an hour. No. Sounds like a Windows thing. Yeah, it is sadly a Windows thing. Cool. Can I ask a question? Yeah, what is it? Hey, please hurry up. Largest problem with strip mines is how big they get. One easier to construct well. Did you base your avatar color off the Xbox? I did not. Huh. Yeah, I just picked it because, like, the bright green is a pretty color, and I enjoy it. I don't have any errors on me, fuck. Please upload the backup. Please upload the backup. Please upload the backup, please. Please upload the backup. It is a pretty color, yeah. Looks awesome. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. Just a second. Okay, hey everyone! Nice to see you all. I tried to make a hand sign, but you can't see it because I don't have hand tracking. Maybe someday I'll get elite motion, but those are... Fuck you, mind save. Hey, hey. Right, timer just a sec. 15 minutes, there. Ooh, new avatar looks nice. Yeah, this is... hello! I am Boundary Breaker, the administrator for Lemma. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I help Lemma with, like, all the behind-the-scenes work and stuff. Maintenance, software, etc. What do you call a raccoon covered in pasta sauce? A ragoon. Iron, nice. Oh, like, right. Honestly, this is a good point to mine to for now, because we're running out. Yeah, we are out of space, okay. Yeah, yeah, I was listening into what y'all were talking about earlier with Lemma about, like, typing and such. Kinda thinking maybe a language that isn't based around, like, classes and such would be good for Minecraft. Like, you could have, like, just, it'd be interesting, like, having classes for, yeah. Trying to think of how it'd work, but basically have, be able to call, like, methods from Java classes, but not create classes in the language itself, because you don't need to worry... Oh, fucker, right, arrows. Why do I keep forgetting arrows? Always options, yeah. Pascal? I mean, there is... I am aware of a, Pascal-like pure functioning language on Java. It's named Frege. I just haven't messed around with it much. Yeah, like just if you have, yeah. Also at a oh. Yeah, we'll definitely have to think about what we want to do. Maybe we could do a bit of that tonight, like just like sketching out plans for a simpler Minecraft mod making system. Hello, kitty. Yeah. Cat pats. Oh, I actually got around to seeing it all, huh? Neat. Yeah, definitely want to think about that sort of thing. We could maybe do that tonight if anyone does have like a mod request that I can do, maybe that. I don't think I want to do Merfolk tonight, sadly. But yeah, we could also just work on one of my other existing projects because I have so many that I just left abandoned for Lemma to deal with. I'm really sorry. Lemma, I'm so sorry that I left you with all this baggage, but... Oh, I didn't. Nice. The artist's life. How about microsurgery? Maybe. The fact that it only takes 8 coal to smelt a whole stack of things has been ingrained into my mind. Even meticulously been putting 8 coal in the furnace ever since, yeah. Lots of taters. Only started using coal blocks in my building, and now I only ever smelt with lava or charcoal. Yeah, valid. 7:45. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna start like messing around in creative off screen to figure out what I want to do for my build. Went mining for coal recently for Torture's Lab Desert. I've been smelting with bamboo. Yeah, bamboo is a good source just because it's so easy to get. Not as easy as when zero-tick farms existed, but honestly, I'm glad that they patched out zero-tick farms. I didn't really like them much. Switch to shroom lights, so cool looking. Yeah, shroom lamps are so pretty. They've just got a lovely warm glow to them that Not even redstone lamps have for some reason. Yeah, shroom lights are just great. Sadly doesn't fit all builds, yeah. I could do like the plain like stone sort of thing. I just really don't know what I want to have as the roof. Like, I don't know what would fit. Look at more like reference pictures and such. That'd probably help. Blackstone bricks? Maybe. I'm using those for the or Blackstone bricks. Ooh, maybe. Yeah, I'll think about it. Big fan of quartz accents, yeah. Quartz is expensive, but could possibly do it. Blackstone bricks lined with quartz? Maybe. I fairly drew both. After if you can't, yeah. Cat. Yeah. I'm not talking much. I'm trying to like think about things and like decide what I want to do for like the mod building thing. I think I'm gonna do that for yeah, I'm gonna do that for the programming block tonight. I'm gonna just do some dreaming of like, let's make a fucking language, maybe, and stuff like that. Like, maybe sketch out a programming language or something. Like, decide how the system would work for, like, creating stuff or running code or whatever, or, like, executing actions or whatever. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Ah. And this is going to give y'all a great opportunity for discourse. Talking about PyPy, but a DSL would be better than Python. Sounds good to me. Yeah, PyPy is good. Yeah. Yeah, I would really like Python if there was like a feasible way to run modern Python on the JVM that's like decently complete. J&I is messy and scary, and I don't think I want to write a parser from scratch, because that would also be terrifying. Alright, tagging back over to Lemma. Hello everyone, from PyPy Untranslated on Jython. I don't know much about PyPy actually. Hydrate, I will, thank you. Ah. Yeah. Welcome back, thank you. Ah. Let's see. I should lock these up, yeah. More ironer. Oh, did we leave the rest of the iron back at the other place? Probably. Oh well. Ah. Oh. 5 minutes until the giveaway. Woohoo! Ah. The fuck? Where'd the torches go? I made 25 more torches. Where the fuck did they go? Four more torches. Fuck? Oh, I don't fucking know. Oh, there they are. Yeah, ah. Yeah. Well, like a few minutes ago, you said the giveaway was 4 to 5 minutes. Time flies, I guess. Yeah. Ah. Minecraft does have a bit of just trucking time, yeah. Yeah, it's nice for that. But it also just sometimes feels like you're not really doing anything, you know? Ah. Where isn't there? Here, where? Ah. Yeah. Yeah, I can't really. There's just not really anything left to do right now, so. Guess we should just close it down and do the giveaway. Yeah. Alright. Alright, yeah. Yeah. So, let me pull up Nightbot. Alright, let's do that giveaway. So, what y'all are gonna do is you are gonna run the command giveaway. Yeah, you're gonna use the command !giveaway in the chat right now. That will enter you for the raffle, which I will roll one like in a few minutes. Just run that command and you'll be entered for 3 months of Xbox Game Pass for PC. Of course, like, just to make sure y'all know, this won't work on Mac or Linux, sadly, thanks Microsoft. But yeah, I will... Yeah, I've got a code that I will be able to give to y'all, that I will be able to send to you as a DM. Some mechanism I could send it to a friend. I am going to give you a 25-character code, and so yes. Basically, like, just anyone who is... Yeah. Yeah. Anyone who is in chat is able to just get a code that you're able to give to anyone else. So, recommend you enter in right now. Please don't forget. That sounds nice, yeah. Yeah. Like, just once, like, a few more people have entered or it, like, hits, like, 803, I will, roll it? Armor's taking a beating from Phantom Zone? No. There aren't that many users here right now, so I don't know. Yeah. Just like, if folks want it, please send in that giveaway command. You've got, like, a couple minutes. Quiet Mondays, yeah. Oh, well. Yeah, Jude, it's fine for you to, enter as well. Like, just, I'm not excluding you because you're a moderator. No, it's fine, can't use, don't have anyone I could really give to. Alright. Yeah. Sorry. Still thinking about, like, the code stuff. We'll get to that in just a couple minutes. The best computer I have right now is a Windows 7 laptop that's 12 years old. Oof, rip. That sucks. I'm sorry. No! Ooh, stretchy. PC's 8 years old, thinking I might just buy more RAM, yeah. Alright, yeah, you get attacked. Building a roof, Phantom gets trapped trying to fly through. Oh no! Alright, yeah. Alright, Ben. Alright. Last chance to enter for the giveaway. I'm gonna roll it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, Braggett, hi! We're about to do a giveaway for 3 months of Xbox Games Pass for PC. Type the command !giveaway if you want to enter. I am literally right about to roll it, so... Alright, gonna wait a few seconds for stream to catch up. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Waiting for stream delay for just a second. Boom! Lovely Mimic, you've won! Congratulations! Yeah, thank you for explaining how to join. Yeah, you're very welcome. Congratulations, Leah, you've got my 3 months of Xbox Game Pass. Let me, just a second. Double checking. Yeah, you can't see it, Yeah, I will DM that code to you on Discord right now. There you go. And put me back into streamer mode, because I don't want Discord notifs. Yeah. Let's do some fucking design stuff. Okay. Let me quickly... Actually, not MS Fan ID time, yeah. First we're just gonna do, like, brainstorming for syntax and such. Ooh, Auna Yuri 12646, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Alright, added, backseat, down. Programming, update. Welcome, avatar's really pretty. Thank you very much. Okay, so, okay, let me pull up probably a HackMD. New note. Okay, oh, let me pull this up on FMD. Let's do just edit for now. Okay, so and Yahoo code singularity reached. Okay, yeah, so yeah. Right, yeah, so here's some, like, base goals. So, we're gonna be writing. It should let you write a full Minecraft content mod without an IDE, which should let you register blocks, items, possibly entities, and other stuff. It will not allow you to do transformation of base game code because, good lord, that is scary to have to write. I am terrified by ASM. I'm terrified by it. Should be possible to compile it into, like, a single file like a zip or a jar or whatever for distribution. Or run it unpacked, because I want to be able to do both of those. Then it should require, like, little to no Java knowledge, and if you can create something without, and if it's possible to create, like, to set something up to be doable without writing code, that should be the default way to do it, because that'll make it easier. Yeah, so yeah, those are goals. We should think about, like, the key aspects, so, just a sec, try and talk over the music and stuff. So yeah, assets and data are the two main things that are, like, non-IDE user editable in Minecraft right now. So, like, that's like models and textures and data pack stuff like tags or recipes or functions. Those should remain as usual because, like, they're not fundamentally broken, honestly. Like, they're weird, but they should be usable in their default form with maybe some data gen system to help with them. So, like, if you can, so you could maybe create a build script or the like. Then, what else? Then for, content, here's the big one. There should, it should be possible to register both statically and dynamically. So you can, so like let's say you have a file named myblock.xyz, that there should be, or like, so you could have a system where you have a myblock.xyz and that will define a basic block, or you can dynamically register blocks based on like a config or something. Oh. Yeah, then the other things important to do would be stuff like custom DSLs or JSR 223 or whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Just a lot of things to think about for the, make it a fairly open thing with the engine to make things accessible, which is always handy, yeah. Then I want this to be, DSL is that dynamic scripting language that is domain-specific language. Basically like a little language meant to do one thing and do it well, or such. And that's where the discourse is gonna source from, is, yeah, regex is a DSL, yeah. So, like, here's the question. Like, how are we going to, like, are we going to make custom languages for this? And if so, what is their syntax going to be? Because syntax is a fuck. Yeah. I really want to hear folks' take on this because, like, I know people hate JSON, and I want to see if there's any recommendations folks have for other config languages or stuff like that. Adapt to the coder, oh god. Yeah. If folks have ideas, please go ahead and say them now while I think of things as well. Nothing comes to mind on my end, sadly. It's okay. Hey, Kat, are you still here? Do you have takes? Because I know that you often have me on data links. Yeah. Alright, I'm capturing this window. I can't tab things. Brackets are important. Indentation, yeah. Don't know enough about programming and stuff. Yeah, let me, there are, like, two major classes for, like, how config stuff works. So Peer expressions? Oh, config, not in general. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking for like data storage file, data storage format. I don't actually really like simple syntax, and JSON has a lot of stuff I feel like could be abstracted out or improved. Even writing a 10-line JSON, there's so many lines I have to hit the shift key. Yeah. That is a big thing. Like just because JSON requires like quoted strings and such. There is JSON 5, which lets you do stuff like unquoted keys and such, but like it's not super supported, and yeah. Lack of trailing comma resolution also sucks, yeah. Yeah, like trailing commas are a big issue. Also, one thing I definitely want in the system is a... I'm accidentally reinvented the config API channel. Oh, I know. No, Cat, here's the difference. Right now, there are 13 people here, not 6,000. Or how many are in FabriCord at this point. Yeah. Truthfully, I don't even understand why strings need to be encased in quotes. It is, yeah, let me try and think of, like, a way to explain it. Yeah, strings encased in quotes. There are some languages that do, like, think about social. Yeah, there are actually a few, data storage languages that, allow unquoted strings. Like, let me double check. JSON 5, do you? No. It's something else. Is it, was it YAML that does? Probably YAML. Yeah, this is, is there like a sample preview? Yeah, so this, like, YAML does unquoted strings, but like weird, but it has some other issues that I don't really like. Yeah. Yeah, like just YAML is weird. CSV. Oh no, we're not doing CSV. I'm sorry. But like CSV is for tables, not like key value. Yeah, it doesn't actually look like they're doing any. They are XML, oh god. If I had my, it would be 1919, we all be using any. I mean... do you have, example? I mean... Is there a reason to not do something? Like... The main issue with any is that it doesn't really do, like, nested stuff. That looks like Toml to me. Oh yeah, Toml. No. Let me double check Toml again. Okay, yeah. Tommel actually might work. Yeah. Tommel is pretty similar to, Jay. Alright, yeah, I'm into Tommel. Yeah, Tommel would work. I don't remember. Oh, no. So there's Tommel 4J, which could possibly work, but not updated in 4 years. Hopefully not an issue. That'd work. Tommel 4J actually looks pretty good, like in the... Yeah. Does marshalling and such. Yeah. Tommel looks... Tommel 4J actually looks pretty good. Yeah. Of course, if we wanted, there's night config, but nah. The reason I suggested Innies because Una made a pretty nice parser for it for unsep and fabrication, yeah. Don't know if it's available anywhere. Yeah, that's the issue. Yeah, we could use Tommel for, yeah, so Tommel could work for, like, the data storage side. And question is, like, yeah, I'm just gonna pull up the, like, spec for Tommel itself again. So Tommel uses hash comments. No enters in significant white space. Oh, allowed but not required. Okay, so it's not mandatory. Big thing is, Tommel feels really Python-y, honestly. Rust uses it, yeah. Yeah, I'm just, like, trying to think about, like, if we're gonna use Tommel for, yeah, so if we're gonna use Tommel for the, like, data storage language, then, yeah. Only familiar with Tommel because I had to wrangle it from Matterbridge Matterlink, yeah. Okay, so you can do arrays and... Oh! It does do, like, internal objects if you need, okay. Key value pairs, arrays, tables, inline tables, arrays of tables, ints, floats, booleans, date and times with offset, okay. Strings, yeah. No escaping, okay, yeah. Alright. So, these can escape, literal strings don't escape, okay, interesting. Numbers, okay, neat. KV pairs, yep. Okay, separate lines. I want to look at the table stuff. Okay, it is just like a subset of key value pairs. Got it. Inline table is, yep. Ooh, array of tables, interesting. Oh, that's fucking poggers. Yeah. Okay, that's neat. How many pog when I have the money? Emotes are expensive. Ints and floats are separate, okay. Yep, yeah. Ooh, it does bear keys, nice. Yeah, we're gonna use Tommel, okay. Alright, that's today's pog. What's this music? This is, I don't know why the album art isn't showing up, but this is for, this is from Heart of the Woods. Yeah. Upright Corners, artist and song riff, yeah. Yeah, this is one of the songs from Heart of the Woods, a very good Yuri visual novel. Whoa!
Let me pog sooner, UWU.
Ooh, thank you very much for the 420 bits, Minxie. I appreciate it. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Covered Fungus music today. Exciting developments forthcoming. Exciting. I'm thinking. Would a... Oh, that's... Oh, that is... Ooh, spicy. Okay, Yeah, that... Okay, I remember the name of the person growing it. Funky little synth, my ceiling. Ah. I want to write a DSL for this. Ah, that'd be fun. Yeah. Michael Echo. Yeah, I want to write a DSL for, for this. Need to think about how that's gonna go. For digital subscriber line. I think one of the most powerful things that JavaScript has is like is support for inline JavaScript, or for inline JSON. That's a big thing. And I kind of feel like that's something that I would want for DSL. So... Yeah, so inline TOML support definitely. Ah. Oh, hydrate, thank you. And a stretch. Ah. There. Yeah. But yeah. Let me see if I can, like, write something that feels Tomly. Hmm. So, looking at TOML syntax quick. So this is what TOML looks like. Okay. So so yeah, the from system is going to be interesting because that'll basically be my, like, uh, import slash parent slash stuff. So that would probably want to be an identifier. Yeah. Love that TOML config file format for humans, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to think of, like, how to change this into a, like, something that can, like, actually call code and shit. And, like, follow Java stuff. Maybe use a semicolon as an end block thing? And Yeah, something like that maybe for syntax. Yeah. Hmm. You do arrays, yeah. Okay, yeah. For you, it's easy to do arrays because, yeah, for the heuristic, because that they always come after an equal. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Alright, yeah. Hmm. So yeah, something like this for syntax, and then triple like blocks, or yeah. Then something like that for the uh, inline toml. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. So, yeah. And overrides would be implicit, I think. And I'm not sure if there should be like the ability to call code outside. Yeah, I'll think. Yeah. This will be interesting. Huh. Guess we could start working on the parser right now, maybe. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Idea. Where are you? How do you write parsers? Let me pull out. So, I, for my first parser, went along with this book, Crafting Interpreters. It is. It was a tree walk interpreter, just because that's simple, and don't need to know Java bytecode for it. It implemented a dynamic language named locks, which is neat. Ah. Yeah. So it does. It's basically like mostly C style syntax with like inheritance and such, like class instance, object orientation, control flow. Fuck, control flow. How am I going to do control flow in this? So. Hmm. that works, yeah. Basically use a semicolon as a closed bracket and an enter as an open bracket. So this will be white space significant, but only barely. Ah. I think I will keep the parentheses for got my breakfast now. I'm here and looking. Woohoo! And my main worry is how type E do I want this to be? Because I can do decently type E. Yeah. I should create a GitHub project first. What counts as type E? Basically, like, just how strong do I want types to be? Should you be able to, like, automatically convert anything to a Boolean or such? I say no, because I don't like that. And we'll need to think of, like, a name for it. Fuck names. Oh no, names, not names, God. What have I gotten myself into? Like Python's Boolean handling except for abuses of it to write single line code, yeah. That, like, Python I think does have, like, truthiness, which is, like, the JavaScript way of doing things. Which, does it talk about truthiness here, or later on? No, truthy! Truthiness and falsiness, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, so this is what Locks does, which is weird. Which we're working on right now, by the way. I am working on a, it is a mod that will let you write your own mods without needing nearly as much code. F creator? No. It's not going to be an M creator sort of thing. It is going to use, like, proper code for most stuff, and you're going to manage it yourself. But it will mean that you don't have to, like, learn a full-on programming language if you just want to add, like, a block or such. Yeah, so truthiness and falsiness, yeah. Basically, yeah, stuff is bad in JavaScript where, like, yeah, it's bad. Like, I don't like truthiness. I don't have to learn full rights programming language. Oh no, if you use the I'm saying you don't have to write a full programming language if you're not gonna use it for, like, adding simple blocks and items. Ah. Chase? Decent name? Frame part of a printer that holds the letterpress. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Ah. Sounds good to me. Let me first check CurseForge for... Yes! Good! Thank God, because... Then, of course, this could be implemented on Forge as well. Alright. Open in GHD. Then I can... Yeah, we're gonna go for a bit longer just because it's taken us this long just to get stuff starting to set up. GitHub. Pose. Base. Build Gradle. Project. Hey. Okay, so... Okay, starting. Things are happening. Idea looks to be kind of frozen. There, now it's running. No idea why it's not letting me click anywhere, but... just let you take your time. No, yes, okay. So, first thing, most important thing, double checking that's the right one. 072 Tom Forja, yes. Okay. Then, also going to include. Don't fuck this up, please. Okay. You have Pommel 4J, hell yes! Yeehaw! Why do I have a G-Son? What? Do you... Oh my god! Oh my god, that's great! What the... It uses... It doesn't... I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for waking you up. I'm just... It doesn't write the... No, it's not parsing the Tomla's JSON. It uses JSON's marshalling system to... don't be glad to hear you laugh. It uses JSON's marshalling system to do its class conversion stuff so it didn't have to re-implement it. What the fuck? Ah! Just a second. It's a Minecraft dependency already. I know, yeah. I need to mention this in fucking Queerbrick. Just a sec. Just a sec. I'm mentioning this in Friends Discord server. Mild Spaghetti again, yeah. Where did 2 go? God! Okay. Freakout complete. So, got Tommel in. Yeah, this is gonna be under my name. I don't do cotton stuff anymore. I'm just gonna fill out my metadata quick, just because that's nice to do. Don't think I'm gonna use any mix. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna use any mixins for this. Yeah, we'll keep that there just in case. So. Huh. Let's set up a... So... Yeah, let's set up an example mod first. It's great to get a good chuckle out on it, yeah. Content, let's say... Let's use CHS for the file extension, yeah. Ah. So... So... Ah. Ooh. Ah. There, was trying to hit my push to mute. Ah. Yeah, so let's say for a standard block, let me pull up fabric block settings again just to like see what stuff might be important in it. Object builders, 1, 2, block. Block settings. Okay, so this will keep the train going, yeah. So, there's material. Okay, material's mandatory. There's no collision, non-opaque, slipperiness, velocity multiplier, which are different things. Jump velocity multiplier, sounds, oh boy, sounds are going to be fun to implement. Light levels. Oh, are those, Oh, right, those are, Okay, that'll be interesting. Oh, I actually might have an idea how to do that. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, what the fuck just happened? So, okay, luminance is a function now, okay. But any other things that are like, what the fuck does context predicate have? State world pause, okay. Let me check what the defaults are for those. Okay. So it's here in this. Yeah, so. These are the default ones, okay. This will be interesting to implement. You're my favorite VTuber, by the way. Oh, thank you very much, Alicia. I really appreciate that. Okay. Thank you. I'm trying to think of like how abstract stuff would work. So let's say then yeah, I'm gonna say that so the way stuff is gonna work is that for an abstract you will say it's abstract from something. Or just abstract. Then it'll say required things that you must override. So, or things that could optionally be overwritten. So there you could have like a required so you could have a required material and optional then like an optional luminance or such. Luminance with state, okay. And if it's optional, you wouldn't need the semicolon. Yeah, so you could have something be required or optional, but like still defined as something it can look for. It should look for. Basically, just for readability. And so if you have a luminance with a different amount of args, it can throw a fit at you. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna have, like, explicit typings on this just because I don't want to have to, like, unless I just make it so it can't do superclasses and stuff, or, like, it can't do, like, subclasses and superclasses, which probably can't already because, yeah. Uh, let's, let's actually, like, set up some type stuff. Yeah. Or, yeah, let's set up the language. Let me... Yeah, this will be interesting to do, but yeah. Huh. I'll figure it out, so... Alright, there's the... Yeah, I'm just trying to remember where to start with all this. Sorry. Oh. What goes on? Yeah, uh, yeah, tokens are we should probably start with tokens. Hydrate. There. Tokens. Hey, what sort of things are we gonna have in the language syntax? So... Yeah, so... We've got, uh, so there's left and right brackets, let me actually grab the example stuff I wrote earlier. There's parentheses. I don't know if I'm actually going to use like curly brackets yet. That'll Ah. Oh, might need to get some more water in a bit. Yeah, so from stuff. Ah. Ah. So, oh, there are commas. Those are important. So, I'm trying to think of like all the syntactical, there's hash for comments, which we're mostly just gonna ignore it, I think. So, actually, if we're gonna ignore them, do we need, if we're gonna ignore them, we don't need them there, so... No, you don't need a token, yeah. I just realized, what am I gonna do for, that's, Just a second. Where'd Tom go? Wait, no, Tom will just reads arrays. Yeah, I'm trying to think of a heuristic if I want to use angle brackets for arrays. Do I need to use angle brackets for arrays? Or, no. Or square brackets, I mean. No, not generics. I misspoke. I mean square brackets for arrays. Do I need to use square brackets for arrays? I could use parentheses. Just treat open with no, that's not gonna that's a bad idea. What I'm thinking is, what if, I mean, this is technically an array. Like, that's how it's going to be treated in code, as an array of arguments. Or this as well. So, what if you used parentheses for an array? Like Python and use implicit tuple? Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't want to have, like, just... The issue with tuples is that they're immutable. So you'd want to be able to, like... You'd want to be able to do that later is the issue. Yeah. Which I think I'm fine with. That's not an issue. This is your language, yeah. I think I'm gonna use parentheses for arrays. Yeah. Make them mutable, yeah. I'll have to write a heuristic for yeah, so yeah. So this would, yeah, so this would basically be a call to array.get2 or such. But an implicit one. I could make it so arrays have to use, so you have to use get and set method on arrays. Do I put rails under every block in my bamboo farm to make it away? I think I don't know. I think you might need to put them under every. Yeah. And change putting them every. I think I'm actually gonna do it, I'm actually gonna do it with .get and .set. Just for now, yeah. I also think under every block, yeah. So. Now here's another question. Do I do character? So do I do single character, double character, or raw word, or stuff like and or? I think I'm gonna do and or, yeah. Yeah, it'd be funny to put an instead of and. Yeah, I like words. Yeah, I think the issue with words is like, am I gonna do words for, like, the main question with words is, am I also gonna do a word for not? Control back. I think I'm gonna do keywords for all of them, yeah. The return is gonna be parsed in this because that is how, because, like, you can only do one thing per line. Hmm. And I'm not going to use curly braces myself. Those will be inside of Tommel, so... Hmm. Actually, that's a difficult one. Yeah, I think I'm actually going to use square brackets with a heuristic for arrays. If getting curly braces is the thing, not just a cave story character, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do square brackets instead, but have getters and setters so I don't have to worry about that side of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna have get, set, and add methods instead of, you make commas make arrays too. Maybe, but I'm going by the Tommel, but I'm gonna follow along with the Tommel spec for arrays at the moment, which is that, is that ugly? It's more that I don't want there to be, I want there to be the same expectation between the Tommel part uh, and the chase part for the, for how to make and use an array. That's the big thing I'm focusing on right now. Consistency, yeah. But luckily, because Tommel isn't Turing complete, there's no standard for accessing arrays, so I can just use .get and .set and .add and such. Yeah. So. Fans of lack of operator overloading salute your method, yeah. Or salute your methods, yeah. Actually, first, this probably shouldn't be a public enum. This is all going to be internal stuff. And so the I think I'm only gonna have ints and yeah. Should I have like a single number type, or should I have separate int and double types? Or int and float types? I think I'm gonna go separate int and float, so... Yeah, the, So yeah, the possible literals will be a key, which is a, like, you would call it an identifier in a standard language, but we've got to use that for the identifiers here, because those are going to be a standard type, like a decently standard type. Yeah, then we've also got ints and floats separately. We've got strings, of course. Yeah, I said he and a key. Key, K-E-Y, right there. Then we're gonna have like toml literals, of course. Then so why did I lose the cast? We've got abstract from required optional with if else. There should probably be like a null. Just because null has to be expected in Minecraft. Then nil is shorter, but yeah, does toml have native for like a null or none? Let me check the spec again. Toml doesn't have no. Yeah, Toml doesn't have an option for nothing. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. True and false are important. So we should probably have a return parent. Oh, did I already? LF instead of, yeah. Then I should probably have some sort of loops. So we'll at least put while in there, and then 4 can be sugar. Okay, so, yeah. Left bracket, right bracket, left paren, comma, dot, plus, minus, divide, multiply, semicolons, line feeds, not equal, 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 or assign double equal. That's not a comparison. There. Yeah. But left arrow? No. It would be clearer, but it would again break with TOML, which we're not doing. Like, just, this language is going to be based on TOML. And TOML uses equals, so we're using equals. I see programming. Hello, Nikki! You do see programming. So... now that we have... oh yeah, then we need EOF. Yeah, so... oh, so... yeah. Name it Lemma. There, that works. Then... should make a token... no, it doesn't need to be private because this is all package private anyway. Gonna go to bed. Thanks for streaming. See ya! Maybe a 2-string impl. This is gonna be used. Might change some of this up later. Yeah. I am just kind of following through with crafting interpreters for, like, getting the framework back up. We're probably gonna want to just there, that should get us all the token types. And we can actually just inline this. Then we can implement our then we want ooh, thank you for the stretch, Minxie. And ah. 944, okay. Yeah. Getting through it. Yeah, I'm sorry that I'm basically just like writing out existing code and not talking about it much. Just like this, really, I just need to get the structure of the parser out before I can do much fancy work with it. So. So right now I'm just adding in all our like simple single character tokens, which are stuff like all of these up here. So left bracket, right bracket, left paren, comma, dot, plus, minus, slash, star, semicolon, line feed, and equal. So equal is going to be a bit weird, since it might also be part of it might also be part of an equal, so yeah. Keep hitting bracket there. Oh yeah, nice token type enum instead of bit flags, yeah. I mean, we're in Java. What did I put next? Comma dot plus. I'm gonna need to clock out too. Best of luck with the rest of the setup. Thank you! Comma dot plus minus slash star semicolon. And I'm only going to care about LF, not COP, not carriage returns, because I don't care about carriage returns. They can just be treated like they don't exist. Actually, no, that can just be part of the default. Yeah, that's all the single. Yeah. Yeah, that's all the single character ones that are like easy to do. So we should probably add. Ah. Probably add. Ah. Beep, 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 beep. Oh. Ah. Yeah. And we can add other ignore characters here. Yep. There. That works. Might want to change this that a bit later, but yeah. Hmm. Yeah. We should, now that we've done that, go and then we're basically going to do this a few times for lesson greater. Oh, gotta add in the brakes. There. And we can do match. Uh, $10 wow. Yeah. I almost want to keep going just until I've got most of the parser stuff done. Hash, it goes to end of line. Return. There. Ah. Yeah. There. lower down. So this means we're going to ignore white space, which is spaces, carriage return, and tab. For line feed, we're going to add the token because we care about it, increase the line, reset the column. So after that, we're gonna check on strings. Wait, lines are significant, but line indentation isn't. Yeah, line. That's how it is in Toml as well. Lines are significant, but line indentation isn't. Cool. Yeah. Which reminds me. Place that. You know. Alright, that's peak, yeah, so it'll always go through this. Yeah. Yeah. No, I do want that to be. And I can just ignore the return. Over down at string, so. Oh, did the music stop? Oh, wow, we got through the whole thing. Oh, right, because it's a 3-hour-long playlist, huh? I should get more music for this. Need to double check something. Didn't notice the music stopping TBH. Yeah, it ended pretty quietly. So. the way the original is set up is that it will log an error before throwing it. Okay. So, I'll change this. I'll change the syntax errors later. This will be... And... Yeah, we're getting really close to finishing up this, so... I actually made a syntax error class instead of throwing unsupported. Yeah, I mean, it's literally just a class. No, right, identifiers are unquoted. And numbers. Yes, greater equaling with a care sound looks weird and bad, but trust me, a care is just a fancy bite with eh. These bites. Yeah, but then I can't use the well, the difference is that bytes are signed and cares are unsigned. Cares are the only unsigned numerical type in Java, and it's weird. that. I think I'll make all. I think I'll make all floating points doubles, so you have the higher precision. So. There. Then there's reserved words and... Oh yeah, I should add Tommel, which is pretty similar to this. I'm gonna do single backticks for Tommel. Yeah. Yeah, that works. Theoretically. Now... this will be the last one of the... Yeah, this will be the last thing I need to add in as a parse. genuinely wish I understood this. It seems fascinating. I can do a run-through of it before... Yeah, I'm gonna do a run-through of it, before I finish up. Yeah, probably be lost. Oh well, I'll still do it. Just because I want to. No, this one should have been hyphen. There. No, wait, peak does the advance automatically. Yeah. No, doesn't. If I want if match colon. Alright, almost done. And just a couple things left. Checking some things. Okay, so let's use some tokens, so and down here. Oh, yeah, that would make things difficult, so, actually, I'm gonna need to write a more difficult heuristic for this, for identifiers, so, because you can't have a minus, if you had a hyphen legal in alpha in any identifier, that breaks subtraction, so... There, and then it'll just have the exception when you try and crank. So now we have all our... I'm actually going to make this non-caps. It'll make stuff read a lot easier. I don't need to worry about folding caps, so... So I have and, not, or, true, false. False, false. So true. Did I never actually... Why isn't greater... I made an issue up here. There. If, else, from, with. If, else, from, with. Abstract, required, optional, null. Oh wow, for once Idea's typo checking actually helped me. Oh, I forgot break. Okay. I need to just double check something. Or, not quite done, just a sec. Back over it. Why do you need while loops? Because, because for loops are just syntactic sugar for while loops. So it's pretty easy to put them in as sugar. And there are some situations where you'd want a while instead of a for. But that's not as easy to understand. Well, here's the thing. You're still going to be able to use for loops. Just, it's going to be a fancy trick, and I'll implement it later once I've got the actual while loops and everything set up. Alright, first Minecraft code dependency. There. Let me just try check one more thing. Oh, you'll have enhanced for loops. I will attempt to have enhanced for loops. I am not sure how feasible they'll be, but I'll see. Yeah. Okay, so. Alright, now that we have the entire scanner complete, I can quickly run over it and we can finish up. I'm probably going to work on this more off-screen as well, but yeah. So, we have a scanner which takes a string as input, which takes a string which would be your file as input. Yeah, so then you will create a list of tokens which are like parts of the code that matter. So, for example, in English, a token would be like a syllable or something like that. Or like a prefix or a suffix. It's one individual unit. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Yeah. So, yeah, token is basically one unit that's important. So it could be a period or a prefix or a whole word. We have a lot of different token types, and they're all important, so we want to try and catch all of them. We check tokens in this big thing, which checks the next character using advance, and depending on what it is, it'll start using different logic to try and figure out what you've just given it. So like brackets or parentheses or commas, period, dots, pluses, etc. Then there's stuff like equals and less than equals, greater than equals, not equals. Comments, which we'll ignore entirely and we don't care about. Strings, raw toml, which is something we give a shit about. We care about new lines, so we're going to look at those. Then we're going to ignore other forms of white space just because they don't matter to us. And then we'll check for like a digit, a raw like key or identifier, And if it's not there, we'll throw a syntax error. Whenever we get something, we'll add it into our list of tokens, which we'll spit out later. And we've just written some logic to detect, hey, is this a string? Is it in quotes? Along with if it's toml, because we care about that. Then just keeps going down the line for digits and different types of numbers and such. And yeah, that. Then lastly, there's like the reserved keywords, which you can't use for anything else because the language already uses them for its internal logic. Yeah, that is basically it for the parser. I think this will like work if yeah, let me there. Let me test this out actually. Just gonna make those public for the time being. Alright, and then if the code I have in this is valid, which it should be because I wrote it to be, then we'll find out. If not, it'll throw a fit. Alright, yeah. Looks like it worked. Oh, it's because those, it's because the rest of it got, double \n, whoops. I'm just gonna do it again. Actually, oh no, I know what it is. Okay, so it's just gonna print it like that, got it? Yeah. If we do this, which should... Oh, no, oh no. Illegal character and... Oh, because... Right. Well, at least it could point me, so that was... Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah. Then, check. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 920. So yeah, that was, it grabbed it at the end of the and, yeah. Okay. Finally, some excellent news to start the year off. One of my favorite hacks finally available, mostly in English. Nice! Ow! Stop that. Ow. Line 3 of, Oh, yeah, because that has to be quoted. I'm gonna... Delicious! Awesome, yeah, it works! Woohoo! I made a scanner for a custom language, yay! Awesome, yeah, really happy with that. Now I just need to actually make it parse and everything. But I'm gonna do that off screen. Let's head back over to chatting. Might be able to play FF6T edition after all this time. Awesome! Hey. What? Alright, yeah. T edition? You said... Yeah. FF6T edition. Yeah. FF6 is Final Fantasy VI. Definitely. Yeah, I've not heard of T edition either. Giant rebalancing content hack that adds hundreds of enemies and bosses while also fixing a bunch of bugs in the original game, removing damage caps, that sort of thing. Ooh, cool. Okay, yeah, we should find someone to raid. And, Ooh, I think Huge hack triples the original game in terms of scale, basically a love letter to Final Fantasies. That sounds awesome. Ooh, okay, I think I know who I want to raid because it's the first time in a while I've streamed while they are. So, we are going to raid Flailmorpho, who was in chat earlier. We're just gonna go with a pretty simple Robo raid, and let's go with a blush. There. Something like that. Yeah, thank you for the stream, Vero. Sorry I wasn't active sleepy, just woke up. It's okay. Alright, let's get this raid ready. Thank you all so very much for joining in and watching. Sorry that my coding wasn't super interesting, but I'm really excited with where this is gonna go. Accidentally clicked on lore. Oh no, yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much, all of you, for watching and joining in. When you get over to Alicia's channel, please don't forget to give her a follow and click on her profile icon twice so that your view can count for Path to Partner. Minecraft little conversion hack, clearly. But yeah, tomorrow I will be streaming my Minecraft modding tutorial, which is very exciting. I'm quite hyped for it. And yeah, I think we are basically ready to go, so if there's anything... Yeah, I hope to see all of you tomorrow. That'll be really fun and interesting. And yeah, thank you all once again for joining in, and I'm gonna send you over to Leisha right now. Rating in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon!